Welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching my videos, you saw last week that my buddy Mike and I got the drivetrain sitting back in the chassis. Right now the only thing holding it in is the bolts on the front motor mounts. The rear, the transfer case is actually sitting on a jack stand. I've got the cross member here and the skid plate. I'm going to get them a little bit more cleaned up, and then I'm going to spray them and get those ready to install. Then drivetrain will be supported and we can move on from there. Somebody made a comment under the last video about why I didn't take care of the frame, spray the frame while I had the motor out. And honestly, my focus right now is to get the Jeep running and drivable again. I do want to at some point do a somewhat of a restoration. I want to fix the rust and get some paint on it. It's not going to be a full-out restoration, nowhere near museum quality. This Jeep's going to be on trails and whatever, so I do want to take care of some rust. I had some work done on the frame rails and didn't get anything on them, which was a big mistake, and they are surface rusting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get those cleaned up as much as I can with wire brush, and me and Leo are going to probably spray paint those at some point soon with some rust converter and then spray paint. Just right now it's going to be preventive maintenance to keep them from rusting away more until I'm ready to work on the frame more. But like I said, the focus right now, get this thing back together and running and drivable.